I used to have this uncle. Oh, there's no how. She said if you change position, the person will the person will sleep better. Uncle. What's his name? What's his name? Sorry, I can't remember his name right now, but uncle, you slow. I swear, if a baby is 10 miles away, they will hear you. We can sleep. I'm sorry. This I'm saying is out of love. But there's no for me. Oh, I don't believe in changing position. A snorer is a snorer if there's a word. Because you will snore. I'm remembering it and it's just making me laugh. But for me, I don't think there's even a cure for snoring. I don't think there's a cure for snoring. So, peace out.